I am a rider, provider. Bring the heat, girl. I will build the fire. And my name keeps going worldwide. So my job is.
Hi friends, and today I am going to teach you how to make a gun. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. So let's begin. So the first step you'll do is fold your sheet like this, and then as you can see this extra part, you'll just tear it apart. And here it's done. So now what you'll do next is you will use this also. So just fold it into half. And then tear these two pieces. Now what you'll do is take one piece, fold it like this, now what you'll do is tear these two apart. Like that. Now you'll take your second sheet and fold it into half. Now what you'll do is open it up, then fold one flap till the center. Now again you'll fold this flap till the center. Now what you'll do next is just fold it like that, just like that, and you can cut the excess part if you want. And here it's done. Now what you'll do is fold this whole thing into half. Now after this what you'll do next is just take one and fold like this, and take the other side also like this. Now what you'll do is from the three pieces you'll take the small piece and fold it into half, and here. Then after folding it into half, what you'll do is again fold it into half, and here it's done. Now what you'll do is take this handle and this strip. Now take your strip and fold it around like this. Now after this you'll take this part and fold it inside it. Or other ways, you can just leave this like this and fold this thing like this. Now you'll do this on the other side also, like this. Now what you'll do is take your strip and put it inside this space, like that. And now what you'll do is take this and put it inside this, like that. Like that. Now what you'll do is put this inside, and then just put it inside it, and here it's done. So now this will be your handle. Now what you'll do is, so now you'll take your square sheet of paper. Now as you first folded it like this, now what you'll do is fold it again in the triangle, but from the other side. Now after this, your next step will be, you will open it and fold it into half. Just like that. Now from the half, what you will do is again fold it into half. And then open it. Now you will take one side, fold it till the center. And then fold it into half. Then from here, what you'll do is fold it like this till the end, just like that. Now after this step, what you'll do is take this piece, and from this back side you'll just insert it like that. Just like that. Just like that. Now what happened, that this was coming out, so I just stick it with Fevicol. So next step will be, you just cut this end and here like that. Now what you'll do is, now you'll take this piece from here, bigger one, and what you can do is just take one pen, put it inside here like that, and just roll it. Now you'll just stick this and it's ready. So now your next step will be, you'll take your gun and take this muzzle and just insert it inside that like that. Just like this, how much you want. Now your next step will be, you will just take your scissors and cut this little part, and here I stuck it here with Fevicol. Now to make your muzzle more durable, what you can do is just take some paper, and just put it inside this, so that it would be stronger and not be easily compressible. Now after this, your last step would be, the last thing you'll be left with is this. So what you'll do with this is, you'll just fold it like this into half. Then after this again into half. Just like that. Here. Now what you'll do is, you'll just fold it like this from the half. Just fold it from the half, just like that. Just like that. Now what you'll do with this is, you'll make a trigger with this of your gun. So now one of your ends should go inside like this, here, just like this. Now where will you, now just insert it a little more here inside, so that this should match this, just like that. Now what you'll do is, take this excess part and just cut it, just like that. Now what else you can do is, just take a Fevicol and put it inside this. Back also. Just stick it. Now what you'll do next is, you'll take this and put it inside this part with the other row, just like this, and here your gun is ready, just like that. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and bye guys, meet you in my next video. So here's your gun ready. Bye.